I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Panda, back again with another video. Today, I will be bringing you from first to worst, a rebuild of the Jets. So let's get right into it. Jets are really bad, so this is going to be really hard.
Start your season with recommended settings. If you wish to change roles or adjust options, use the tiles on the right.
I'm going to be an owner. Create, I'll be a former player, or no, financial mogul. You know, I just want to have that moolah. We're going to try to take the Jets to the Super Bowl and try to rebuild them. So let's do it. His name's going to be George. George Harris. It's a good name. So let's get right into it. Okay.
Your season starts now.
Jets are horrible. I'm honestly, my goal for this year, the first year, is to get a better quarterback, a couple good wide receivers, a couple cornerbacks, and get 6 wins. Anything greater, I'm going for the Super Bowl this year. Like, I'm not using picks or anything. I'm trading everybody. Picks, people. If they're bad, I'm trading. I have to get a good team. We're going to win the Super Bowl this year. Now or never. I'm bringing it to the Jets fans right now. I'm going to probably also rebuild their stadium.
Before this week's game,
You'll see that in episode 2. So, we have a horrible quarterback. I like Darius Stewart, Alabama. Roll Tide. I'll use Coney Ely at defensive tackle. I mean, we got an okay line. Really bad cornerbacks. Okay, safeties. So let's get right into it. I'm going to try to get a quarterback. See how that works. Who are we going to trade for? I'm probably just going to give him Josh McCown, Forte, and somebody else for a quarterback. I'll come for Jordan Howard later, I think. Not Dalton. I'm going to go for a young rising quarterback. I mean, I don't know. Either experience or like Dak Prescott would be a good choice. Carson Wentz, he's okay. There aren't that. I mean, Aaron Rodgers is amazing. I don't know about Cam Newton. Yeah, what the heck? Let's try to get him. Okay, we're not close at all. They need a middle linebacker. I'll give him a middle linebacker. Okay. What else? I'll give you a pick. 2nd round pick. Okay. What do they want? I'll give him a left end. Coney Ely. Ooh. How are you denying this? I mean, I can get quarterback for way easier. I'm not gonna. What the heck? I'm gonna try to get Dak Prescott. Let's go for it. I'll give you guys him and a pick for Dak Prescott. This has to work. Come on, Cowboys. Accept it. They're probably not. It's close. That's why I'm gonna give him a 6th round pick. See how this works. Nope. I'll give you guys a middle linebacker. That should close the deal. This should totally close it. Nope. Demario Davis. Last offer. Nope. Left linebacker. Left outside linebacker. David Bass. Okay. Jenkins. No. I mean, I don't know what you guys want. Quarterback. I'll give you a 1st round. But I can't give you anything else. I mean, jeez. Okay, thank you. Got a quarterback. Let's see who else we can get. Tevin Coleman. I really want him. I'll give you guys 4th, 7th, and a player. Right outside linebacker. Coming up. Ooh! Let's go, Tevin Coleman! Woo! There we go! Tevin Coleman, welcome to the team. That is good. There we go. I mean, that's a good quarterback running back combo. Let's find a... I'm going to try to find a good wide receiver. Kendall Wright. I mean, Jairus White. What the heck? I'm going to try to get somebody else. I'll give him good Powell for a wide receiver. Who can they give me? Who can anybody give me for this? I mean, there aren't that. I mean, there's a couple great wide receivers. Oh, I was like, are they named the same team? Or name? Ugh. Tyreek Hill. I want him. See how close I am. Okay, that's actually good. I mean, I'll give him a wide receiver. Curly. No. Okay. I'll give you a pick. 2nd round. Okay, we're close. I know that. 5th round. Come on, Tyreek. Come on. Come to the squad. Right end. I'll give you him. Maybe, no, I'll go pick somebody up. Free agency. Right end. Then I'll just trade him away. It's not very realistic. Joe Mixon. He's a pretty good prospect. Let's see who's on the market. No. Okay, so right end. Oh, yes. Yes. That's a good trade right there. That's going to get me Tyreek Hill. So, I mean, let's see if they'll bite. I'll give you running back, Powell. I'll give you a pick, and then that right end. 5th round pick. Oh, yeah, sorry. Powell. I'll give you that right end. Come on, Tyreek. You gotta come to the squad now. Oh, it's gonna happen. I know it's gonna happen. No. Going all out, so there's... Okay. I'll give you second round next year. No. Second round this year. Cannot decline this. Yes, Tyreek Hill. Welcome to the Jets. Let's go! Speed! Now we got a good wide receiving core. I like it. That's a good offense, I'll say. Jermaine Kearse, Tyreek Hill, Tevin Coleman, Dak Prescott. I'll take it. I mean, we'll work on the O-line. See if anybody's on trade block for O-line. Anybody over 80? Okay. I mean, they aren't that good. I mean, I'll try. Let's see what our... Okay, cornerback. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. We need to upgrade. Okay, so we need a cornerback. 5th, first round for a cornerback. Marcus Peters, we're going for you. Next year, second round. No. Who's gonna accept this? I don't really know that many people that will accept this. Desmond Trufant. They're not, but no. Yeah, it's gonna be. Ooh. Yes. There we go. Dominique Rodgers-Cromartie's pretty good. I'll take that. Working on the defense now. Try to get a better corner now. Let's see who's on. Well, you know, what the heck. Who do you guys need? A fullback. I can give you a tight end who is good at that. I'll give you a draft pick, 5th, and confirm. That's actually not a bad deal. Yeah, that's what I thought. And now we got a good, okay. I mean, we got William Gate, Dominique Rodgers-Cromartie as our cornerbacks. That's not bad. Let's work on the linebacker position. Right outside linebacker. There has to be some okay right outside linebacker. Ooh. I mean, what the heck? I mean, I'm assigning these to get drafts. That's a good pick up. I mean, yeah, let's try. Welcome to the squad. That's okay. Yeah, maybe let's try to get a pretty good linebacker. Just to bring the squad together. 3rd, 4th, and 5th next year for a left outside linebacker. He's pretty old. No, they would never accept that. No, they would never accept that. Let's try that. Yeah, that's what I thought. Middle linebacker, see if they accept. Mario Davis. Okay. Picks. Whoa. Come on. That's a good offer. I would take that. Left guard. That is such a good offer. Come on. Cornerback. What the heck? Okay. Maybe that'll work. No. Man, they're hard. They are playing hardball. They would never accept that. Maybe that. It's close. Right outside linebacker. Okay. No. Let's see what works. Who do they want? Draft third. Yep, that worked. That will work. So, let's see. We got a decent squad. DeAndre Campbell. I mean, probably need a full safety. Let's see if we can get a full safety. Or a free safety. Sorry about that. No, it's not worth that. I'm gonna have to give fourth. I'll give him a Josh McCown. For a free safety. Somebody has to take it. Man, nobody has good free safeties. That's okay. Oh, wow. That was actually kind of close. There we go. Good free safety pickup. I mean, it's not the greatest, but it can work. That could work. It's an okay backfield. You know what I'm saying? Oh, man. Let's see if we can get a defensive tackle. That would be sick. Ooh. That's honestly, yep, definitely going for him. Who do they need? Okay, that's pretty good for one. Let's see that. Okay, let's see if they'll take a pick. 6th round pick. No. 5th round. That was close. They need a safety. That actually might work. Dang it. Man, this is hard. Wide receiver. Oh, this. Yes! Let's go! There we go. I mean, gave up a lot, but we got him. And that's good. I'll take that, honestly. Like, that's a pretty decent line. We might get to the playoffs, like, no joke. Let's send to the playoffs. I mean, I think we can do it. We put a pretty good squad together. Go down below, push that subscribe button, turn on the notification to get all my notifications. Become part of the Panda Pain Squad. And comment down below if you liked this video. Tell me which team I should do next, and tell me which players I should get or pick up in the next episode. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, Jets. They can do it. Yes, they can. Come on, Tyreek Hill. I swear, if they get hurt, I will get so mad. Like, if we make the playoffs and then everybody that's good on our team gets hurt, I will be so mad. Like, Dak Prescott, you gotta pull through. My defense is decent. It's not great, it's decent. It can win. There are actually a lot of good second string players in the NFL. Like, I didn't even know. Like, the Bills have an 87 overall second string defensive tackle that I picked up. That's crazy. That's like better than some starting defensive tackles. Man, I guess the Bills love their defensive tackles. You know what I'm saying? Come on, Jets. I know you guys can do it. You just need the jet fuel, you know? Sorry this is taking so long, guys. It's just a way of life. 3 more weeks. Come on, Jets. You can do it! The water boy. Oh, that was hilarious. One more week. One more week. Come on, Bill. Jets. Oh, sorry. I was talking about the Bills so much I got stuck in the head. Okay, come on. Come on, Jets. I know you can do it.
You have a player that is all healed up from injury and available to play.
What? And we were 4-12. Yay. Dang it, Tevin Coleman. Why? We were 4-12. How? I mean, we beat the Patriots. That's okay. Packers. And we lost a lot. Why is this surprising at all? Let's see the teams that we beat. Okay. We lost to the Bills. We lost to the Raiders. We lost. We beat the Browns. Okay. I mean, we beat the Bills, we beat the Buccaneers, and then we beat the Patriots. Okay. That was horrible. Okay, I'm firing the coach because he sucks. Definitely firing the coach. That makes me mad. You know? Let's see who wins the Super Bowl. Okay, the Cowboys and Falcons. Packers, you suck, apparently. Even though you're my favorite team.
Points are earned every week. Make sure you use
Why do I care?
A portion of your remaining points will be lost when you advance the week.
I don't have any draft picks, so it doesn't really matter. Yay. Man, I'm firing the coach, because of course he can't win. Todd Bowles. Golly. I give you okay players to work with, and you still do that. That's unacceptable,
This is
man.
the last opportunity to resign
I
your
have to
players,
get some
or they will become free
freaking
agents.
sign everybody because everybody wants to leave.
These players are on the
I
last
don't
year of
blame
their
them.
contract.
There we go. Sure. What the heck? Sign him? Yeah. Too bad. I mean, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to sign some. I mean, I am praying that they have amazing free agents. Please. I have a lot of money and I need to buy a lot because everybody sucks on the Jets. Definitely. Definitely signing you. Definitely, my boy. And that's great. How much do you want? Okay. I'm giving you 12. What? Do you want another 5 years? 89 million? I'm giving you a lot of money. A lot of money. What do you want? Gosh, I am giving you so much. I'm giving you 103 million. Oh my gosh, you're not even worth it. What the heck? Yes, I'm getting a good. Okay. And I'm signing you, because you can do okay. Definitely signing you, because you win. There we go. Right tackle. Sure, come to the squad. Nobody wants you. What the heck? I got you. And that's, yeah, come to the squad. Yeah, come to the squad. I don't have a kicker, so come to the squad. What? I'll give you that much. Come to the squad. Okay, I guess I'm spending my money on you, because you can win. Oh my god. What the heck do you want? More money. Thank you. Finally. Okay, I'm spending basically every penny on this.
In scouting. Check it out.
Jets, thank you. Thank you. I mean, yes. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. That's a great team. Look at that. Beautiful. We got decent linemen. Okay, that's okay. Yes. Beautiful. Okay. I can take it. Just win. I'm signing more, I guess, because I have $30 million. Oh, yay. Tight end. Come to the team. Why not? You're not a future, but I can take you. Because... And I can't take you. Welcome to the team. Yay. And I have no money at all. I can't really scout you guys. I'm sorry.
In the upcoming draft. Select to scout this player.
I'm sorry, guys. I just can't draft you.
Unlock this player's true skill ranking to see if you just found a diamond in the rough. This means
Okay. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Panda Pain. Peace.